you can get Ethereum for free. How? But 97% of the people don't know about this. Hey FinFarmers, I am Aryan Malhotra and welcome to FinFarm. In today's episode, we are going to claim Ethereum at no additional cost. After Ethereum 2.0 merge, few miners started their own forked version of Ethereum. One such project is ETHw, Ethereum Proof of Work. Whenever a forked version of a cryptocurrency goes live and you were holding that cryptocurrency before the fork, then you can claim those extra tokens at no additional cost. What do I mean? If you were holding Ethereum before the fork happened, then you can claim ETHw for free. I am going to use MetaMask to claim those extra Ethereum proof of work tokens, but you can use any DeFi wallet on which you were holding Ethereum before the merge. Open your MetaMask wallet, just click on your account, click on settings, and go to networks. This is the official blog from Ethereum Proof of Work community. I'm gonna head over to step 3. Now what we have to do is we have to add this network to our MetaMask. Add a network. Now I just have to copy and paste these details in MetaMask. Network name, Ethereum mainnet, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol is ETHw, and last is block explorer URL. Oops. I just have to save this. Ethereum Proof of Work mainnet was successfully added. Now as soon as my MetaMask was connected to Ethereum Proof of Work mainnet, I received the same amount of Ethereum Proof of Work tokens as much as I was holding Ethereum tokens. I will be adding the link to this blog in the video's description. Bonus tip, not just Ethereum Proof of Work, there are several other forked versions of Ethereum that are coming up, like ETHw, Ethereum Fair. You can claim those extra tokens just like you claimed your Ethereum Proof of Work tokens. What if you were holding Ethereum on an exchange wallet? Although few exchanges have already distributed ETHw tokens to users, but I don't think so any Indian exchange have distributed it so far. To claim those extra tokens, contact your exchange customer support and ask them to help you claim those extra tokens. Although we cannot say whether these forked versions of Ethereum will survive or not. If you believe in these projects, you can hold them, or you can immediately transfer to an exchange and make a quick profit. Alright FinFarmers, that's it for today's episode. I hope you have claimed your free Ethereum. Now go press that thumbs up icon and subscribe to FinFarm for more such content. We'll meet again in a new episode.